Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the drainage density and drainage frequency. Okay, morphometric analysis of drainage basins. This is an important topic for UGC NET Geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, introduction to drainage basin morphometry, quantitative analysis of drainage networks. What is drainage basin morphometry? Morphometry refers to the quantitative measurement and mathematical analysis of the configuration of Earth's surface, shape and dimensions of its landforms. Drainage basin morphometry involves analysis of linear, aerial and relief aspects of a drainage basin. It helps understand the hydrological behavior, geological structure and geomorphologic processes of a region. Two fundamental parameters, drainage density DD and drainage frequency DF. Okay, linear aspect, stream order, length, bifurcation ratio. Aerial aspects, drainage density, stream frequency, basin shape. Relief aspects, basin relief, ruggedness number and gradient. Horton 1932 and 1945 laid the foundation of quantitative geomorphology. Key scholar Robert Horton 1932 and 1945. He is a father of drainage morphometry. Net tip, morphometry, measurement of landforms, drainage network, all streams in a basin. Okay, remember DD and DF are both derived from the channel length and number. Okay, and that they reflect basin, hydrology and geology. Okay, drainage density and drainage frequency. Then drainage density, DD, definition and formula, Horton 1932, drainage density. Definition, drainage density is the total length of all stream channels per unit area of a drainage basin. It reflects the closeness of spacing of channels and was proposed by Robert Horton 1932. Okay, drainage density, that means summation of L divided by A. L is the total stream length in kilometer and basin area A is the basin area in square kilometer. High drainage density, less more than 10. Impermeable rocks, sparse vegetation, steep slopes and high runoff. Low drainage density, less than 5. Permeable rocks, dense vegetation and high infiltration. Moderate drainage density, intermediate geology, mixed vegetation, semi-arid areas. Typical drainage density values, region, rock type, drainage density value, kilometer and kilometer square. Interpretation. Okay, bedlands on shale, 200 to 500, extremely high impermeable. Okay, semi-arid regions 10 to 15 drainage density, high and sparse vegetation, humid temperature 3 to 10, moderate vegetation and impermeable limestone and granite 0.5 to 3, low and high infiltration. Okay, DD summation of L divided by A, summation L total strength, stream length in kilometer and A basin area in kilometer square. Units kilometer per kilometer square or kilometer -1. Net alert proposed by Robert Horton in 1932. Always remember that, and measures closeness of spacing of channels, and higher drainage density means more efficient drainage system. Okay, then drainage frequency DF, definition and formula as well, Horton 1932. Drainage frequency or stream frequency. Drainage frequency, stream frequency is a total number of stream segments per unit area of a drainage basin, proposed by Robert Horton 1932. Unlike drainage density, it counts stream channels rather than measuring their length. Formula DF is equal to N by A, N divided by A. N means total number of streams and A divided by A means basin area in kilometer square. Okay, high drainage frequency, that means more stream channels, impermeable rocks and high surface runoff. Low drainage frequency, fewer channels, permeable rocks, high infiltration capacity. Correlation, drainage frequency positively correlated with drainage density, both high in impermeability basins. Okay, DP versus DF, quick comparison. Aspect, drainage density and drainage frequency. Aspect formula, drainage density summation L divided by A, formula N divided by A. Numerator, total length of streams, total number of streams. Units, kilometer per kilometer square, streams per kilometer square. And proposed by Horton 1932, and again drainage frequency was also provided by Horton 1932. Okay, this is the formula. Drainage frequency N by A, N is equal to the number of streams and A basin area in kilometer square. Unit streams per kilometer square or km-2. Net alert, also called stream frequency, also proposed by Horton 1932. Distinguished DF from DD, drainage frequency from drainage density, counts channels not length. Higher drainage frequency, more channels per unit area. Okay, factors controlling drainage density and frequency. Geological, climatic and vegetational controls. Rock type and lithology. Impermeable rocks like shale and clay, high drainage density and drainage frequency. Permeable rocks, limestone, sandstone and granite, low drainage density and drainage frequency. Resistance to erosion determines channel incision. Rainfall and climate: high rainfall intensity, high drainage density arid regions, despite less rain, high drainage density due to sparse vegetation. Seasonal rainfall creates ephemeral streams. Slope and relief: steeper slope means faster runoff and higher drainage density. Flat plains means poorer drainage, lower drainage density relief ratio positively correlates with drainage density. Vegetation cover: drainage density, reduce runoff, lower drainage density. Sparse and no vegetation, high runoff, high drainage density. And forested basins have lower drainage density than barren basins. Infiltration capacity: high infiltration, that means less surface runoff and low drainage density. Low infiltration means compacted soils, that means high drainage density. And soil texture and structure are key. Human activities: deforestation, increase drainage density over time. Urbanization, impervious surface, higher drainage density. Afforestation, reduces surface runoff and decreases drainage density. Most important: rock permeability and infiltration capacity. Vegetation cover, inverse relation with drainage density. Climate: rainfall intensity affected drainage density and relief. Steep slopes, higher drainage density. Soft rocks, higher drainage density. Shale is most softer than granite. And sand soils, low drainage density, high infiltration. And benlands, highest drainage density in the world. Horton's laws and relationship between drainage density and drainage frequency. Laws of drainage composition: law of stream numbers: the number of streams of different orders form an inverse geometric series with the bifurcation ratio. Okay, this is the formula. Then law of stream lengths: mean stream lengths of segments of successive orders form a direct geometric series. Law of stream slopes: mean slopes of streams of successive orders form an inverse geometric series. Higher order streams have gentler gradient. First order streams are steepest. Horton's law of stream numbers: geometric series with bifurcation ratio. Law of stream lengths increases geometrically with order. Law of stream slopes decreases geometrically with order. Okay, drainage frequency increases with increase in drainage density. Both reflect basin efficiency. And formula: higher stream order, that means higher basin maturity. Relationship between drainage density and drainage frequency. Drainage frequency increases with an increase in drainage density. Both reflect the basin's surface drainage efficiency. Smith 1950: drainage texture is equal to drainage frequency, streams per unit area, and high drainage frequency means fine texture. High drainage density plus high drainage frequency, that means highly dissected basin with rapid surface runoff and flood prone behavior. Okay, drainage texture and classification. According to Smith 1950, based on drainage frequency, drainage texture provided by Smith 1950. Drainage texture, that means drainage frequency is equal to n divided by a total number of streams per unit area of basin. Smith 1950 classified drainage texture into 5 classes based on drainage frequency values. Texture values, texture classes: drainage frequency value, streams divided by kilometer square, rock and landscape characteristics, and example regions. Okay, very coarse, more less than 2, highly resistant, permeable, granite, quartzite, Deccan Plateau, and in crystalline. Coarse 2 to 4, moderate resistance, parts of Rajasthan and Bundelkhand. Moderate 4 to 6, intermediate and mixed, Sub-Saharan Himalayan plutils. Fine 6 to 8, soft and semi-permeable, Siwalik Hills, losses, leash regions. Very fine, more than 8, weak, impermeable, clay, shale, band long lens, and bedlands of Dakota and Channel riverine. Okay, Indian example: Shyamal riverines, Madhya Pradesh in Rajasthan. Very fine texture due to highly dissected benland topography developed on alluvium and shales. High drainage density and very high drainage frequency reflect intense gully erosion. Okay, then geological and hydrological significance, applications of geomorphology and water resource studies. Flood hazard assessment: high drainage density basin have rapid concentration of runoff, short time to peak, less flood risks, important in disaster management and urban planning. Groundwater potential: low drainage density areas, high infiltration. Groundwater research zones: high drainage density, low research potential, used in groundwater exploration. CGWB reports. Soil erosion and land degradation: high drainage frequency plus high drainage density in Shyamal type terrain indicates severe gully erosion, used in watershed prioritization for soil conservation. Rock type identification: geologists infer lithology from DD patterns, drainage density patterns. Soft rocks means high drainage density, shale. Hard rocks means low drainage density like granite and quartzite. Used in regional geological mapping. Climate reconstruction: paleo drainage density helps reconstruct past climates. Denser ancient networks suggest previously water regimes applied in Peninsula India studies. Remote sensing applications: IRS Landsat imagery used to extract drainage networks. NRSC Bhuvan platforms provides watershed level DD drainage density computation for Indian river basin. Okay, key applications: flood risk assessment, groundwater potential mapping, watershed prioritization, SWOT model. Okay, high drainage density means low groundwater pressures, and low drainage density means high groundwater potential. Uses NRSC uses remote sensing for drainage density computation, and IRS Indian remote sensing satellites, associated satellite data used for drainage mapping. Okay, worked numerical problems. This is an example of practical example. Okay, read unit carefully. Say if area is kilometer square or meter square, unit is meter. Then there are some common here: confusing summation L total length with individual stream length, confusion N number with order. Okay, these are practical examples. Okay, now some MCB practice questions. Question number 1: drainage density DD was first proposed by which scholars? Correct answer option number B, Robert Horton, 1932. Question number 2: a drainage basin has total stream length 240 km and area 30 square kilometer. What is the drainage density? Correct answer option number B, 80 km per square kilometer. Okay, question number 3: Smith's 1950 classified drainage texture as very fine when DF drainage frequency value is. Correct answer is option number D, more than 8 streams per kilometer square. Okay, question number 4: which rock type is associated with low drainage density? Correct answer is option number C, limestone granite. Question number 5: the formula for drainage frequency is given by Horton 1932 is. Correct answer option number B, DF is equal to N divided by E. Okay, this is the formula for drainage density, drainage frequency, Smith texture classification, controller factors, and applications. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.